Hi guys, welcome back to our week 2 meeting. Let me see who is here already. I have Misha's here, Bridget. So Bridget says she get off work at 5:30 and just been waiting for the meeting to start. Okay, all right, so meeting started. Okay, now guys, normally we start the meeting at 5, but today I have to go to a meeting in the schools, got stuck. So that's why I'm meeting at 5:30 today. Now let's go over the survey results from last week. So let me show you guys the result. Let's do a screen share. Share screen. Let me go to my survey. That's not it. Assessment survey. Statistics. All result. You guys, most of you guys participate in the survey, so we have a pretty good representation for the class. So over half of you, so 16 people says Tuesday early evening, so from 4 to 6 is the best time for you guys. So guys, from now on until the end of the semester, we'll be meeting on Tuesdays. So sometime between 4 to 6, and then I will post the link online. Usually the day before, so usually on Monday night, you see the YouTube link on your D2L, and then you will know exactly what time the meeting will be. So it's usually either 5 or 5:30. Okay. All right. So let's talk about this week. So last week, you guys had to finish 4 chapters, which was a lot of stuff to work on. This week, well, it's not that much easy. Okay, so so for this week, let's go over the stuff for this week. You have to work on your chapter 5, chapter 6, chapter 7, and chapter 8. So you also have 4 chapters, and you have your exam 1 to work on. So you have 4 chapters and 1 test. Now the same for exam 1 is very much like your each chapter quizzes. The best way to study for the exam is to go over all the old quiz questions. So if you guys go back to your quiz questions, to your quiz, you can look at your old attempts, and then they'll actually show you the questions with answers on it. So the best way to study is to go over all the old quizzes. Now, if you guys don't know how to do that, let me show you how to access your old quizzes. So let's do another screen share. Share screen. Okay, so once you go to your D2L, see on top here, it says edit course, content, grade, assignment. Go to assignment, and then go to quizzes. So once you go to quizzes, you see all the quiz for the class. Now to access your old attempts, once you see this, I mean, normally if you click on the name of the quiz, that would take you to the quiz, but don't click on the name. See over here, there's a little like an upside down triangle. Click on that. Now, my side looks a little different than your side. When you click on it, there's one tab called Submission. So click on Submission. That will take you to all the quiz you did before, all the attempt you did before. It will show you all the questions with answers on it. So the best way to study for the test is to go over all the old quizzes. Okay, and then also for the test, since you have 2 attempts, so we'll take the highest grade. So if you did 1, I mean, you get like a 90. Do 1 more time. Try to get 100. Okay, the test is not much difficult. It's very much like the quizzes, and more than often, there are questions lapping. So you see the question on the quiz, and you see them again on the test. Okay, so that's the best way to study for the test. All right, so we'll talk about the test, and then don't forget for this week, you have your discussion to work on. Okay, so remember for each weekly discussions, you need to post your own posting first. So do your own posting. Requirement is at least 300 words, and then also reply to a classmate. That way I can give you full credit for it. So do your own posting and reply to a classmate. Now I know some of you guys are slacking on your MindTap homework. Now, even though there's no due date on MindTap homework, but try not to try to finish them as much as you can. Okay, because if you have too much left over by end of semester, it's very hard to catch up. Okay, so try not to miss anything on the homeworks. Try to finish them before the due days. And then if you have any questions, any concerns, or any time you need extension on the homework quizzes, let me know. I work with you. Okay. So let me see who we have here. So I know today is a little off, so we don't have many participants for the online meeting, not like last week. But every time you do this live with me, you get 5 points on your test. If you're watching a recorded session, you get 3 points on your test. Okay, so we have Misha's here, Bridget, Anna's here, Lydia. Guys, if you're watching this live, make sure sign in the live chat box on the right side of the screen. If you're watching this recorded session, make sure to leave your name in the comment section below the video. Okay, all right, so does anybody have any question to ask me for this week? Let me wait a little bit. There is a delay between what's on my side and what's on your side. Any questions? No questions? All right, if no questions, guys, let's end it here. So do your 4 chapters. By the way, your test, your exam 1 only covered chapter 1 through 6. Okay, so just 7 and 8, even though they're due this week, but the content for 7 and 8 will be on the next test. Okay, so once you finish your chapter 5 and 6, you're ready for the test. Okay, so do the test, do the homework, do the online discussion, do the quizzes, and have any question, let me know. All right, guys, if nothing else, I will see you on Tuesday. So Tuesday, I will try to make it for 5 o'clock for next Tuesday. If not, it will be 5:30. Okay, but I'll post a link online, and then check the link on Monday night, and you will know exactly what time it's going to be. All right, guys, I will see you next week. Bye-bye.